So welcome students. So in this question you're given that f of x is tan inverse of sin x plus cos x. And you're asked to find the interval where this function is increasing. So now the logic is, this function is a composite function, right? Tan inverse of something. That is, if you take f of x as tan inverse x and g of x as sin x plus cos x, it is nothing but f of g of x. So this is a composite function of two functions, tan inverse x and sin x plus cos x. And you know that tan inverse x function is always increasing. So if you see the graph of tan inverse x, it goes. If you see the graph of tan inverse x, it is something like this. So this function is always increasing. That graph of tan inverse x is always increasing. So the outer function is always increasing. So if the composite function has to be increasing, the inner function should also be increasing. So if both the functions are increasing, the composite function is increasing. Or if both the functions are decreasing also, the composite function is increasing. So the outer function is increasing. Hence, this composite function will be increasing whenever the inside function is increasing. So you just need to analyze sin x plus cos x. So if you take h of x is equal to sin x plus cos x, if I want to find the increasing interval of this, I'll take h dash of x is equal to cos x minus sin x. This should be greater than 0. This implies cos x should be greater than sin x. So you just need to find the interval where cos x is greater than sin x. So now, as you see, there are intervals going from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So let us draw the graphs of sin x and cos x in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and let us see where cos x is more than sin x. So if you look at the graphs of sin x and cos x, these are very simple. So you have the graph of cos x looking like this, and the graph of sin x going from minus 1 at minus pi by 2 to 1 at x is equal to pi by 2. So as you can very clearly see, so where is this function, where at which interval of x cos x is more than sin x? As you can see, cos x is above sin x till pi by 4. From minus pi by 2 to pi by 4. Going from minus pi by 2 to pi by 4, cos x is more than sin x. And that means in this interval, h dash of x is positive. That means this function is increasing. Hence the composite function also increases. So option B is the right answer to this question. Thank you.